Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to open the event box on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And as it loads, you're in the space as I am. So just stay at the space and look at the bottom middle where you can see that Pokeball. So just select that. And as you select it, select this option shop from the options. And as you view the shop page, just scroll down where you can see this event box right here. And it will cost you 300 Pokecoins. All you have to do is just select this and click on this option exchange. So if you don't have the Pokecoins, you can just top up the Pokecoins. So guys, that's how you open the event box on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.